Hi there, how have you been? Today I'm going to show you my favorite must-have and very basic organizers for kitchen. And these are completely renter-friendly. The best thing about these organizers is that you don't need any nails or drills to install them in your home and kitchen. I really like this pretty lazy Susan. This is a perfect organizer to place on dining table and cabinets or cupboards as well. I'm keeping some nuts and breakfast items required every day. Since it is rotatable, it becomes easy to pick up those jars or items where our hands cannot reach due to height just by rotating it. I am placing it on top of my refrigerator so that everything will be visible and can be accessible. This cabinet hook is very sturdy and perfect to hang the towel near sink area or to hang some spatulas, shopping bags, cleaning brushes or small kitchen napkins. Again, there is no need of any drilling to install it. Just hang it on any cabinet door and use it as per your requirements. This collapsible rack is very attractive and another useful organizer. It's a space-saving and multi-purpose shelf. This is foldable also, so one can fold this rack when not in use. I'm putting some tea or coffee mugs on it to fully utilize this vertical space. These teacups holder hangers have 6 hooks that can hang both large and small teacups. However, you cannot hang 6 cups on all 6 hooks at once. You can hang 3 cups or mugs easily. To free up more space on countertop, just slide this holder over a shelf to install it without drilling. This under the shelf holder is very convenient for hanging tea, coffee mugs, spatulas, spoons, scissors, gloves, dish towel, key, ties, etc. This trendy undershelf storage basket is designed for multi-purpose usage. You can instantly add an extra storage space by installing it underside of any shelf. I am simply sliding it on this shelf under the cabinet and keeping a small jar of black salt, a pen, and sticky notes to quickly write down whenever something is running out in my kitchen. I keep my masala box and kitchen towel roll also here in this basket. Over the door hanging caddy is another good organizer to keep the small items like sealing clips, small spoons, cleaning brushes, oil bottles, small jars of condiments, etc. I am hanging it on this cabinet door to use this vertical space. This can be easily installed in bathroom's cabinet also to keep soap, shower gels, face cleansers, etc. If you want more such videos, please subscribe Abode Diaries. See you later.